In this video, I will be showing you how you could animate easily on Scratch. So first of all, we need our character. So first go to the costume section and then let's delete this costume here and then let's delete this. Then we'll be naming our costumes as frames. So let's put this as frame 1 and then let's start drawing our character. Okay, so here's my character. So it's a very simple character and I have an invisible rectangle here, and with this we can describe emotions easily. So if you're a beginner, you can I recommend using these kind of characters for your animations, and then in the future you can make more advanced ones. Okay, now we want more frames. So first let's duplicate this first frame, and then I want an animation, the first part of the animation, to make this character say hi. So let's just take our hand here and then I will do shift plus the right arrow and it goes like this, and then if I do shift plus up arrow becomes like this, and while it's waving its hand to I want him to smile while doing that. So this is the second frame, then let's do the same thing in this third frame. So shift plus right, shift plus up arrow, and he'll smile more. Then the fourth frame, let's do shift plus right, shift plus up, and then do this. Okay, so here is our first four frames. Now we want the animation to run when we hit the green flag. So for that we need to be doing some coding. So first let's take a when green flag clicked, switch to the first frame, switch the costume to the first frame, and then let's create a block just to make coding easier. This one we'll be calling it animate. Then we'll put till as an input, and then we'll put duration as the second input. So now let me explain what this block does. So first it will animate till some frame, and the duration between switching to a frame will come under this duration input. So let's do repeat until costume is equal to till, and then let's wait duration seconds, then let's put next costume. So it will repeat until its costume will go to the till value costume, and then we'll wait the duration seconds, and then it will switch to the next frame. So in this case we have 4 frames, so I wanted to animate till the 4th frame, and then for now let's put the duration to 0 seconds, so 0 seconds between each frame. So let's put full screen, and as you can see, so that's the basic animation. So how does this duration input work here? So if we put something like 0.1, then the animation becomes laggy. So then if it becomes laggy, why did I choose this? So suppose your animation is quite slow, ours is quite fast. So if it's slow, then this is very useful. Uh, yeah, and if it's slow, if the animation is slow, this 0.1 can make it feel smoother. Okay, so that's how we can create a simple animation. So let's add more frames. So now as we have this guy smiling, I want him to go back to normal like this. So first, let's duplicate our frame 3, it will form frame 5. So like we're going backwards, so then we can duplicate our frame 2, frame 6, then lastly if we do frame 1, it goes to frame 7. So now we'll put a delay here for 1 second, and then after that we'll animate till our last frame, which is frame 7, as you can see here. So if we run this, okay, so the reason why it was lagging is because I put 0.1. Let's put it to 0. Okay. So it says hi and then comes back to normal. So we can do more fun stuff with our character. Example, squashing him. So let's duplicate, then select the full character, and then I'll squash him like this, frame 8. We'll continue doing it more, frame 9. Okay, so these are the 10 frames. Again, let's wait one more second and then let's put till frame 11, as last one is frame 11. So as you can see, I then squashes. Okay, then let's make it go back to normal just like we did previously. So frame 10. So let's do it. Let's do wait 1 second and then let's put 15 again. You can see. Now let's add an ending to this animation. So first, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make him look to the right. And after that, he's going to move his arm all the way here and then pull a black end screen. Okay, so I finished the hand animation and now it is going to pull a black end screen. Okay, so I finished all the frames. So it took a total of 54 frames for this final ending. So first, basically what I did is I made the hand animation which makes it go all the way to the edge, and then after that it pulls this black screen, which took a lot of frames. So now let's code that. So first let's make it code until it reaches the full edge of this screen. So let's duplicate this 1 second and then this animate, and then let's put animate till frame 35, which is in my case might be different for yours. And then at the end, then let's wait another second and then let's put it till the final frame. So let's see the animation till now. So okay, so that was good. So now for the final ending, um let's do repeat 1. Okay, let's do repeat 10, and then let's change its ghost effect by 25. Sorry, by 5. No, by let's say, okay, let's just keep this repeat 4. Actually, let's do repeat 10 and then let's change ghost effect by 10. Whatever is comfortable with you guys. And then um, in the beginning, let's put clear graphic effect. So basically what this does, it makes it fade away, and just so that it does not have that effect, we do clear graphic effects. So as you can see, so yeah, that is our animation. If this video was valuable, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.